Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Azure CLI and Node are current, and you have a service principal. Once done, log into Azure CLI with that principal and set your default subscription. Then, scaffold a minimal mobile project and add the Azure Latch SDK package. Make sure to store the client ID and secret securely. You will need them for runtime authentication. This immediate work gets you into a runnable state, so you can iterate quickly and avoid later configuration drag. Now integrate the pieces. Update your config with the latch endpoint, client ID, and secret, and initialize the SDK at app startup. Once initialized, implement the auth flow, obtain tokens, persist them securely, and add automatic refresh logic. Then wire your UI controls to call Latch APIs for lock/unlock or telemetry. Use short timeouts and retries for flaky networks. Make sure to log errors and user actions for debugging. This middle phase is where reliability and user experience are built. Finish by testing end-to-end on real devices and in different network conditions. Emulate token expiry and API failures. Once done, add monitoring and alerts for auth failures and latency spikes, and confirm user flows degrade gracefully when Latch is unavailable. Make sure to document recovery steps and rotate credentials regularly. If things go wrong, check time sync, client secret validity, and permission scope first. These are the usual culprits, and fixing them resolves most integration issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.